Meaning of habitual.
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 Habitual. The term habitual refers to something that is done as a habit or regularly, without much thought or conscious effort. It can describe a behavior, action, or thought pattern that has become ingrained through repeated practice or experience. Habits can be positive or negative, and they often have a significant impact on a person's life and well-being. Developing good habits, such as regular exercise or healthy eating, can lead to positive outcomes, while bad habits, such as smoking or excessive drinking, can have detrimental effects on physical, mental, and emotional health.